What's up, everybody? Good morning. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm waking up all alone because I gotta edit some YouTube videos. So it's like a ghost town here. But today, I'm wearing my fancy Van Man Chan shirt that my mom made me. Thank you, Mom. We have a really fun day planned. We'll be checking out Multnomah Falls, which is like the most popular falls in Oregon, maybe even some of the most popular falls in America itself. So that'll be really cool. And then after that, we'll probably check out like the surrounding towns and see what's going on down there. But now, I'm gonna finish editing some videos and wait for everybody to wake up. Yeah. So everybody is finally up and ready to go. Chase, how'd you sleep?
Mediocre.
Mediocre.
It was pretty hot in here, but I slept well.
Good, good.
Amazing.
Good, grand, wonderful. Time for some breakfast. Yo! Oh.
Should have worse.
What was your other thing?
We'll have to go back to the car.
Orders are locked in. Time to see what everybody's getting. Chase?
Denver up.
Okay, okay. Steve?
I am getting the all-meat omelet.
Okay.
Getting the volcano.
I am also getting the volcano, no way.
This is the volcano.
The volcano. 3 sweet cream pancakes, 2 links of sausage, 2 slices of thick cut smoked bacon, and 2 eggs all stacked high. The food just came out. Yeah, looking good. Chase, what do you think?
Really good.
Yeah, Steve?
Well, I purposely got it for the biscuits and gravy, and it's definitely not as good as Mom's. But it's, I don't know, maybe a 5 out of 10.
Okay, okay, fair.
Acceptable, acceptable.
Mom, what are you thinking?
I'm not a breakfast person. It's a big sponge, but it's good. Thank you.
Man, the pancakes are good. Really good stuff. Just finished up breakfast. Now it's time to start making our way to the falls. Let's go! Just now made it to the falls. You can kind of see them. Yo, is everybody excited?
Excited, yeah.
Woo! Let's go. So Steve, what do you think?
It's breathtaking.
Yeah?
You can't even express with words. It's unbelievable.
Unbelievable? What do you think about it, Mom?
Beautiful. It is awesome.
What do you think?
Chase?
Awesome.
So the trail keeps on going all the way up to the upper falls, which is like right there. And Steve and my mom, they said nah. So me and Chase, you already know we're about to tap in. And we'll see you guys up there. Yeah. Pulling up on the cave. Chase, get in there.
Cave party.
Oh yeah. So me and Chase were able to soak in all the views, and now we're about to start heading back down to meet up with Mom and Steve. But you guys know the drill. One last look. Chase just got stung by a bee. Chase, how you feeling? Let's look at it. I'll kiss it. I'll make it better. Let's see it.
Right here.
Oh.
Oh, there's one in my shirt. Damn.
Oh no, Chase, what's going on with you?
They got me good.
Oh my gosh, she wasn't lying.
Dude, they got they got me on my knee too.
Buddy just got stung by like 3 bees. You know why they don't sting me, right? Because I'm Batman Champ. Finally meeting back up with Mom and Steve. What have you guys been doing?
Drinking.
Drinking? Yeah. Yeah, it was really, really cool. Did you guys check out the gift shop?
Yep.
All right, well, you guys want to check it out real quick? So now we're going to check out the gift shop.
It wasn't just.
Just got out of the gift shop and you know I had to tap in. So first, had to get a nice little sticker. Yeah. All right, now, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Is this the drip or not? Drip or not? All right, I'll put it on for you guys. All right, couple looks. First view, unzip 360. Bam. Second, zip it up.
All right.
With the button.
Sir Pimp a lot. Look at this.
360.
Yo.
Now that we're all done here, we're gonna start making our way towards this town called Sandy and check it out and maybe even get some dinner there. Let's go. So we just got to Sandy and there wasn't a lot of places to shop and look around at, so we're just hopping right into dinner. We're pulling up to this place called Two Brothers Mexican Barbecue Restaurant.
Combination.
Orders are locked and I went with the chicken tostadas.
3 tacos.
I went with the macho burrito.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very macho.
Extra rice.
Macho man.
You know how I do it. Oh yeah.
Chase.
Steak quesadilla.
All right, time to see how it hits.
Yeah.
Food just came out. Mom, how is it?
Great.
Let's get a bite.
No.
Okay. Steve?
Best thing I've had in Oregon so far.
Let's see.
Right here. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Fire. It's a quesadilla.
Let's see a bite.
Well, there's a quesadilla.
All right, I got that tostada. This thing is like hidden under this lettuce. Time to get a bite.
How's the salad?
Fire. Finished up with dinner. Now we're gonna start making our way down the street and hit up Dairy Queen for some dessert. So I ended up tapping in with that banana milkshake. Mom ended up getting that medium cotton candy blizzard. Chase got that peanut butter
Parfait.
Yeah.
The parfait.
So now we're gonna bang this stuff and then go back to the Airbnb. Made it back to the Airbnb, and Chase says he wants to rematch in basketball, so you already know I gotta give him that work.
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Let's go. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, it's that time. It's that time. It's time to put the dagger in this series, man. After this, if I win this, there's no room for Chase to talk. There's no coming back for Chase, man. So I'm shutting this thing down.
Say this right now, there's gonna be another game after this one because there's gonna be a best 2 out of 3.
No, because guess what? I'm shutting him down. I'm shutting him down right here. There's no best 2 out of 3. First to 7, win by 2. I get ball first. Let's go.
Yeah, right.
Oh.
Yeah,
Finished up with basketball, now we're walking to the Airbnb. You know how we do it. Van Man Chan always on top. So me and Chase decided to make it a best of 7 series. First to 4 wins the series. Chase, let's get a post-game interview with Chase. Chase, what do you have to say for everybody who's watching?
Well, what I got to say to all the fans back home is I'm in a vacation form right now. I haven't had time to train in like 3 months or pick up a basketball. So don't worry, I'm getting better. I'm hitting the gym, and it's a 4-game series. I mean, it's best of 7, and it's only 2 games down, 2 to go, and he's coming to my turf.
Oh.
That's all I got to say.
Oh.
Raps.
Man, I'm about to school this fool, man. Back at the Airbnb, and it's starting to get late, so I'm gonna end the video here. As always, if you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. And until next time, peace!